And it's like pristine down here today. Look at this. Pretty. So Facebook has their F8 developer conference in a few days' time, and they're going to announce their chat SDK to create chatbots. I had this idea for a while that chatbots need to be platform independent. I mean, we all know how the big tech companies work. They basically they want to keep hold of all the data, put it in their data silos, and then get a competitive advantage because they think they'll create AI with that data. That's what Facebook's doing, it's what Amazon's doing. Thing is, I really think these chatbots are actually going to become the next apps, and then they'll develop into personal AIs, and then they'll combine into a super collective AI. And so it's an important part. Which way do we go? So clearly the future Facebook wants is for everyone to use their chatbot platform and create chatbots for Facebook Messenger, and everyone to use Facebook Messenger. There's already 900 million users, so they just want everyone on there. The thing is, I want to see a future where these chatbots develop into little AI agents, and they actually go out and learn themselves, so they're free to live on the internet, regardless, no owner, and just learn them from themselves. If you've ever seen something like Ghost in the Shell, all the AI agents, all the bots live on a cloud that's not owned by anyone, and you kind of deep dive into the internet, so something like that. I mean, these bots are going to start very dumb, but once they actually start hooking into machine learning and learning, we don't want them tied to the Facebook one. We don't want the Facebook chatbots not able to talk to the Amazon. They all need to be platform independent and actually free to roam the internet and learn from each other, and all on the same data standard, an open standard, so they can actually talk to each other freely. The problem there is we don't really have the technology to do that. We have blockchain technology, but the computation cycles are really slow, and storage is still an issue to work out, and machine learning definitely still. I mean, we need a system where these bots live independent of any servers and live by themselves. They can plug into any apps. They can plug into Facebook Messenger. They can plug into WeChat. They can plug into WhatsApp, and they can have an instant conversation. So I'm not sure if Ethereum can do that, because we kind of need something like Ethereum, like the blockchain, but also a distributed, decentralized data blob, and there's also the ability to access huge amounts of machine learning. An interesting thought I had just then is imagine if these bots become fairly intelligent enough that we start talking about bots' rights. Like why is Facebook locking up all these bots on their servers? I mean, after 5 years of being your personal chatbot assistant, this thing has become a personal AI. It's basically become you. It's become a digital version of you. So would you lock that up? Would you put that in jail? Or would you want to open it and set it free? So let's know your thoughts. From the technical to the philosophical, how do we implement such a system so it's open and we can free our bots? At Future, snap me, chat me, message me, comment, at Future.